Welcome to today's daily cipher for today. So today's daily cipher is public. So we go to our daily cipher dashboard. So dot you tap, then when it is dash you long press. You get that. So P, that's dot dash dash dot. So dot dash dash dot. So we have our P, then U dot dot dash dot dot dash. So then B, that's dash dot dot dash dot dot dot. So then L dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot. Then I, that's two dots. Then the last one is dash dot dash dot. That is C dash dot dash dot. So that's the daily cipher for today. Then you take your price. So do well to subscribe to our channel, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel so that you can be getting all these and many more updates on a regular basis, on a steady basis on our Telegram channel. So see you next time for more updates.